Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco, and today we are making an Italian classic to start off the new year with. We are going to be making lentil soup. Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook. It's about telling the story of the food. The reason Italians use lentils to celebrate the new year is that the lentil itself symbolizes a couple of things. The first is that the shape of it looks like coin, so it's meant to symbolize abundance in the new year and hopefully some good luck and some good money for you. And then certainly lentils and lentil soup is very healthy, so health in the new year as well. And this is just a great way to start off that age-old New Year's resolution that we all have to be healthier, to be a better version of ourselves in 2018. So this is a great way to start. This is a super healthy recipe, packed with vegetables, packed with good vegetarian proteins. It's a very classic dish. It just happens to be gluten-free, vegan, so whatever you're trying to eliminate in the new year, this is a great dish. It has everybody covered. So we're gonna start off in our soup pan with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna let that heat up, and then we're gonna saute up some mirepoix. So I have 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 1 celery stalk that we've chopped up, and we're gonna get that in the pan once our olive oil is hot. We're gonna cook our veggies about 3 to 5 minutes. Once our veggies have started to cook down a little bit, we're gonna add in 4 cloves of garlic chopped up. And as soon as this starts to become fragrant, so about 30 seconds, maybe a minute at most, we're also gonna add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And we want these veggies and that tomato paste to kind of brown up just a little bit, just to really add some flavor to our soup. Okay, really smelling that garlic. So we're gonna get this in. We're gonna let this cook for another minute or 2, again, until the tomato paste starts to get a little bit brown and stick. Okay, our veggies are starting to stick to the bottom of the pan a little bit. That tomato paste is starting to brown up. So at this point, I'm gonna add in our lentils. I have 2 cups of green lentils here, and we rinsed them good, so they're a little bit damp. So I want to get some of that water out of there by toasting them up a little bit first. So we're just going to let these cook with our veggies just for another minute or so. And I'm using green lentils here, but you can use whatever lentil you like. Now we're gonna add in 8 cups or 2 32-ounce containers of vegetable stock. And as that liquid hits the bottom of our pan, we just wanna scrape up those brown bits that we have stuck to the bottom, because that's gonna make a wonderful broth for our soup. Okay, 1 and 2. And we are going to season this with 1 fresh bay leaf and just 2 sprigs of thyme. You don't even have to take the leaves off. They'll just fall off as this continues to cook, as well as some salt. And we are going to bring our soup to a boil, then reduce it to a simmer, and allow this to cook for about 40 minutes. Lentils do take a little while, so you want to just cook it until they're nice and tender, but not mushy. Lentils, very much like pasta or rice, really cook it to the point of being al dente. So again, about 40 to 45 minutes is where you want to go with this. You want to cover this so that we don't lose too much of our broth while things are cooking. Serve your lentil soup with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese if you like. Guys, thank you so much for joining me in the Cucina to kick off 2018. I hope you all have a beautiful, happy, healthy new year, and stay with us because we're going to have lots of great recipes and inspiration coming up for you in 2018. Bon appetit. Happy New Year.